Aloha. This is my second test lifting my 2020 Corvette Quick Jack with no extensions. I have it up with no problems. I put the front puck in the factory cutout and put the rear puck as far back as I could on the frame. Once lifted, I could not budge it. I tried pushing it as hard as I could on every corner. But just like with everything, there are alarmists out there who will cry the sky is falling on just about everything. As you can see, my wheels are off the ground. I like to tape on my garage floor where I'm going to position my wheels for the Quick Jack, and I also did it for the Quick Jack. Now, just a couple of observations. If you store your Quick Jack like I do with zip ties, just remember before you back your car over it to run the hoses out in front of the car. Otherwise, you'll back over your Quick Jack and you won't be able to do anything. So that's just one thing. Now on the rear puck, I've got it as far back on the frame that would allow the jack itself bumps into the rear tire. The front puck is in the factory cutout. It's a few inches back from as far forward as it could go. Do you remember when hoverboards came out and everybody was screaming that they're going to blow up or catch fire after an incident occurred on the internet? A couple of idiots overcharged their hoverboards and everyone went crazy. It's the same story here, all over again. Some idiot did not rack a Corvette properly and it fell off the lift. Now everybody's telling me I need extensions for my C8. Even though I've been working on cars and trucks for the last 45 years and on every conceivable vehicle lift that has ever been made. So, to prove the naysayers wrong, I jacked up my Corvette on my Quick Jack SLX and I removed the front wheels. So, there's the left side. One good thing, I get to clean my calipers. There's the passenger side wheel. That's off. My Quick Jacks are there. Okay, nothing holding it up in the rear. So, my 2020 Corvette Quick Jack with no extensions and the front wheels removed can't budge. It is solid as it can be. So, if you're a naysayer that says the Quick Jack 5000 SLX won't work without the extensions, I kind of proved you wrong. Anyways, stay safe and aloha.